How to replace the cutting deck belts. Tools needed for replacement of cutting deck belts. Disconnect the battery before moving the mower into the service position. Move the mower into the service position, fuel tank downwards. Remove the cutting blades, hubs and belts covers. Remove the flange plate and the belts. Loosen the bolts of tightening box in the grooves of mower deck. Unscrew the other two. Loosen the belt by turning the tensioning segment and pull it out. Loosen the cable clamp and unscrew main clutch bolt. Pull the clutch of the crankshaft. If it is not possible by hand, crowbar can be big help in the place between the clutch and the mower deck. Measure the distance of the brake disc clutch and write it down. Loosen the lock nuts and unscrew the bolts with springs. After placing the new belt, put the nuts, springs and bolts back. Screw the bolts to be on the lower level of the clutch. Tighten the lock nuts. Adjust the clutch back until correct distance to the original values by adjusting nuts. Fasten the power cable and use the Loctite adhesive to tighten the main clutch bolt. Beware of the correct placing the clutch into the mower deck. Check both pulleys before mounting the belts. In case of deformation, the lifetime of pulleys is significantly reduced and should be replaced with a new one. When assembling, while rotating the pulley, tighten the self-locking nuts reasonably in the place where the belt does not go through the groove of pulley to avoid any damage of pulley's plate. In the same way, mount the belt B1160. Fit the belt SPB 2410 gradually into all 4 mowing units and tighten by tightening segments. Tighten the tightening box bolts. Refit the belts, covers and tighten. Remount the 4-blade pulley hubs and use the thread adhesive to tighten the bolts, hubs and refit the blades and tighten. Move the mower back into the operating position and connect the battery.